We founded Supreme Auto Glass in 2020. We're a 2-person team. We're together 25 hours out of the day. Since we founded Supreme Auto Glass, we've always used Sika products. So we put our trust in them and our clients trust us. Being able to use a product that's primerless to glass, we save a lot of time and money not having to activate the frit, letting us install more windshields in a day for more profit for our small business. The gunability that P2G Premium has is far superior. It has a short cutoff string and the decking is also a lot firmer, so you don't have to worry in the summer when we set the glass that it's gonna ooze out of the sides. Choosing a premium adhesive is the insurance that we have to make sure the customer is safe and the bond is unbreakable.